Hey everyone, this is John, aka JLou. Welcome to my channel. Click to subscribe, follow, and like, and you can follow me on Instagram at JLou at JLou Travel. So we're on Rose River Trail in Shenandoah National Park. It is maybe an intermediate hike, but the park itself has other trails that if you're a beginner or expert you could go on. They also have trails for horses or horseback riding as well. And if you're not into the whole hiking thing, you can always go and drive along the Skyline Road, which is the main road that has many different outlooks. And you could just get out, take a picture, see the sunrise. Very scenic, very beautiful. But as you can see from the Rose River Trail here, you have lots of waterfalls, rivers, as well as a little bit of challenging rocks to maneuver. It's probably going to be frantic to edit this, but